Hi guys, happy Friday. Welcome to the Profitz Club. Today we're going to talk about what we've seen in the markets. In particular, that the three that I look at is SPY, which is the S&P 500 ETF, and QQQ, which is the Nasdaq ETF, and Tesla. That good old company Tesla. It's still on our roar and it's still ripping. It made some new highs today, and I do have a long position in Tesla, but it looks like Tesla's continue their new highs. They were finished green today, but not so much for QQQ and SPY. It did finish in the red, but I think it's more so people taking profits before the long holiday. So we do have a holiday on Monday, so the market is closed. All right. I just want to give a quick overview of what I've seen today. So we started out the day with the Michigan Consumer Report, and what this is, it just tells how consumers. It's a questionnaire that's sent out by the Michigan, I guess, agency, but they ask 50 questions to view on how customers and consumers, how they view the market, how they view their own finances. But it's a major report. Um, so looking at the charts, I'm going to start with SPY. So SPY, look here, this is what the SPY chart, and this is a 5-minute chart. If you look here, we started out pretty on the uptrend, and that actually started from pre-market. So pre-market was on the uptrend here, but as soon as the market opened, it did. So this is the Profitz AI indicators, and what I'm looking at is two things. I'm looking if the price is overbought and if it's oversold. So how I look at that is this green line here is our lower band volatility band, and this is our upper volatility band. I'm also looking at this here. This is our Profitz market trend oscillator. What I'm doing is I'm looking when it's over 80, that is overbought, and then if it's under 20, then that's oversold. So it's an 80-20 ratio. But that's what I'm looking at when I'm looking to buy and sell, and I can kind of get a good gauge if something is oversold and overbought in the market. So that being said, we did start out the day. We looked like we were overbought because one, we were over our upper band here, and also we were higher than 80. So at this point, it would have been an opportunity to short. Very quick if you're a day trader, and also an opportunity to buy puts. That's what I did in my case, and to make a good downtrend. So it ended up when it was outside of these bands, it did calculate that it was oversold or overbought, sorry. And then we did see a sell-off all the way from here, and we continued to bounce on the upper band, and we did it a few times, and it created a demand zone around 1150. But then from there, we just seen a downtrend, and it actually made it all the way from the upper band down to the lower band, which was a significant move. But I think this is more so people taking profits at the end of the week, and also we do have a long weekend since Monday is Juneteenth, so we're celebrating a holiday, so the market is closed. So we did have a sell-off going into the holiday. So that is SPY, the S&P 500 ETF. Now looking at QQQ. Look at QQQ, it's very similar. We start out the day, we did start on the uptrend. Looked like we were going to be bullish because yesterday we were bullish. I was thinking like, hey, today might be similar, but we were start out the day, we were overbought, similar to what we were with SPY. And these profits indicators tell me, hey, it might be a good time to get some puts or short the market, and that we did see. It ended up going from overbought, and it made its way down to the lower band here until it was oversold in this region here. So this was a good opportunity to short the market, and also a good opportunity to buy puts if that's what you play in options. So also similar to SPY, around 1150, we did see a beginning of a sell-off, and from there we closed negative, so we closed negative at 0.63 negative percent today. And I do think this was due to people or institutions are selling going into a holiday, because we don't have the market is closed on Monday. So we did have good news this week. So the market was rallying because the Fed had decided to keep rates flat for the month of June. And also we did see a deceleration of inflation. So it looks like inflation is slowing down. So that was good news for the market. So we did see a rally yesterday, but today is more so traders are taking their profits. So that's what it appears from what I'm seeing. All right, that is QQQ and SPY. So now we're looking at Tesla. Tesla was looking pretty good today. It was up 1.81%. And if you look here, it started out very bullish as soon as the market opened. Right before the market opened around 8:30, we did see a large push up with buyers coming in, and it made its way similar to others to the top band, to the top volatility band, and then from there it did get rejected down. It made it to around the 200 EMA here, and from there just slowly just rose back up, and around 130 or so we did see a sell-off similar to what we had with QQQ and SPY. It is more like traders are taking their profit going into the holiday. So, but overall, Tesla did end up in the green. 1.81% is a good day, and congratulations for those that have a long position, because Tesla is still going up and it has a lot of opportunities, I think, in the future to continue to go up. So just keep an eye on what happens, and hope you guys enjoy Monday. So I know we're not trading on Monday, but yeah, we're looking forward to continue moving forward in a bullish market. It is confirmed that we're in a bullish market. I just want to continue to see how it plays out. If we're in a long-term bullish market, hopefully, but if it's very short-term, so be it. But the Fed is skipping the month of June with their rate hikes, and they're trying to. They are very hawkish in the future, so it looks like the next couple months we will see some rate hikes. But enjoy it for now. It's a lot of opportunities to make money in a bullish market. So, all right, guys, I think that's it for the summary for today. I want you guys to be blessed and happy trading. All right, good night.